Hi, I'm Ian Stables, Senior Project Manager here at Berthon Boat Company, and this is Brynhilde, a 1958 Bermudian sloop designed by Fred Parker. With Brynhilde stripped back to the bare bones, we could begin to repair or replace the deck beams, beam shelf, transom, hull frames and planking. With the deck removed, it was immediately apparent that many of Brynhilde's deck beams were seriously decayed. Not unexpected, as the last time they were looked at was over 61 years ago when she was initially built. Most yachts have many small areas with poor ventilation. Under the aft deck, for example, water can easily find its way through a traditionally laid teak deck and become trapped in the complex structure beneath. Fresh water is the worst, and it doesn't take much over a period of time to encourage dry rot. Many localised dry rot pockets can be repaired in place by simply removing the decayed timber and scarfing in repair sections, although the structural aspects need to be considered, and with a large number of repairs in a small area, replacement of the timbers needs to be an option. Brynhilde's refit team was tasked with repairing and strengthening her for another glorious 61 years of sailing, while staying true to her traditional values. It was determined a number of her beams simply needed to be removed and cleaned up. A relatively easy job of scrubbing with a wire brush to remove any loose material and sanding ready for repainting. However, a number of the deck beams were too far gone and needed to be replaced. Careful measurements were taken, template made up, and this template was carried across to the new timber, and new beams were cut from the same timber species as the originals. With work underway following the in-depth inspection, it was decided that Brynhilde's transom would also need to be removed and replaced. Water had found its way behind the stern knee and the aft quarter knees, leading to significant decay in the mahogany transom. A large frame was made up with the same curvature as the transom. Mahogany boards were bent into place, laminated, glued and cramped, resulting in a transom blank replicating the shape of the original, ready to be shaped and fitted to the boat.